Alright guys, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a tire plug video, and I think you're really going to like this, so make sure to hit that ring button for notifications. And if you haven't watched our other video already, it's got about 6 million views. You may want to check it out. We did a tire plug series on how to install plugs. This time we're actually going to go by the directions. So stick around, you're going to want to see the end of this. So we're going to just basically... Okay, so looks like we've got a nail in there. Package says basically to open this up, to take that rasp tool out, put some cement on the plug, and basically ream the hole out, and then insert the plug, take it off, and cut it flush. And that's what we're going to do. And then we also did read in our comments that somebody said we should light it on fire. So we're probably going to end up doing a couple of things here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this plug out and get one of these going here. And this little eyepiece has a slit in it, in case you didn't know. So when you get it in there, it actually pulls out of there. Sometimes I like to take my pliers and flatten that down just a little bit before I slide it in. And then you're going to go like this. And then you basically don't skip this part. Get a bunch of glue all over your plug. All right. Basically go ahead and pull your nail out. Stick the reamer in the hole a couple times. Wow, okay. And then what we'll do is add a little extra glue here. And then we're gonna get ready to jam our plug in there. About 2/3 of the way in, it said do not twist it and yank it out. Then we're going to want to cut the excess flush. So that's pretty flush. So that's how to do that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the second one. That's the one they're going to want to light on fire. I think they said to light this on fire. All right, so now we've got that on fire. They wanted us to light this on fire, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna light this plug up and see if it really makes a difference. All right, now stick around. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna test these tire plugs out and see if this actually really works. One of the plugs, you guys, and it looks like it's holding pretty good. All right guys, well that looks like that concludes our video. Tire plugs actually work.